Hey, it's Judith. Today I'm making a handbag scarf or a purse scarf, and I'm using an old scarf that I currently have to make a pattern out of. It's a really easy pattern. So I'm laying down my scarf that I'm using as a pattern, and I'm laying it down on the folded side of the fabric that I'm going to cut out. And the length of the scarf is 84 centimeters, and the sides are 9.5 centimeters. And I'm cutting both at different angles, at both sides at a different angle. Now I'm going to fold right sides together, and then I'll pin the side seam. Okay, now I have my side seams done. I'm going to turn it right side out. I left an opening, so we're going to turn it right side out, then I'll give it a press. Okay, we're almost done. So now I'll just turn in that open end. We're going to turn the seams in and do a little top stitch to close it up close to the edge. Okay, I did my top stitch to close that end of the scarf, and now I'll try it out. Okay, here's the finished scarf. I think it's an easy way to personalize your bag and make it your own. Hey, if you enjoyed this video or if it was helpful in any way, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. And as always, thanks again for watching. Goodbye.